We learned how to reach this insurance company's window, and now we're going to be creating a pair together. So let's start with the insurance code. As we agreed before, we can go ahead and add the insurance code, but if we would like to leave it empty, the system is going to automatically generate one for you. So to start, I'm going to be adding the insurance name. Moving forward, it's going to be the address. And then we can go ahead and add a zip code. The zip code is already added before. The system is going to automatically pop up the city and states. In this case, it did not pop up any city and state, which means the information or the zip code wasn't added earlier. So we're going to go ahead and add the city. Moving forward with the state. For the phone number, it's not going to be important for billing purposes, but the phone number could be important for you to be able to follow up on claim status. Fax number isn't always required for billing purposes, but maybe interest is going to require you to send them a fax, and this number can be added as like reference. For the email, it's not also important for billing purposes, but if you do have an email to follow up on claims, we can go ahead and add it over here. We need to always make sure that there is accept assignment. Accepting assignment, this option means that the insurance benefits for the practice is assigned by the insurance company. The option for accept assignment is preferred to be yes, always. Clicking this option to accept the insurance benefits for the practice assigned by the insurance company. For the fee schedule over here, you can go ahead and click the magnifying glass, and there should be always a couple of fee schedules types that are going to be registered over here. If not, you can go ahead and enter your own. When you enter the fee schedule in this field, the program automatically pulls the correct fee schedule accordingly. It looks for the fee schedule that have the specific type, and then among these, it looks for which fee covers the current date.
Don't compromise. Go microwise.